I'm Navdeep Kaur from Emerald Hills Physio. Today, I want to introduce you to advanced manual manipulation techniques, powerful tools in treating musculoskeletal issues. Advanced manual manipulation techniques. Manual manipulation involves hands-on techniques to adjust and mobilize the joints and soft tissues. These techniques can help relieve pain, improve joint mobility, and restore normal function, particularly in areas like spine, shoulders, and hips. At Emerald Hills Physio, we tailor each manipulation to your specific needs. Whether you are dealing with chronic back pain, stiffness, or injury recovery, these techniques can provide significant relief and help you get back to your daily activities. Many patients experience immediate improvements after manual manipulation, feeling more flexible and less pain. If you're struggling with joint or muscle issues, advanced manual manipulation might be just what you need. Interested in learning more about how manual manipulation can help you? Contact us at Emerald Hills Physio and let's work together to improve your health and well-being.